Hey, let's be real for a sec. When things go sideways, nobody wants to be the guy fighting over a moldy loaf of bread at Walmart. Whether it's a blackout, a snowstorm, or, zombie raccoons, kidding. Sorta, being prepared isn't crazy, it's smart. So today, I'm sharing 10 foods you'll wish you had stocked up on before things hit the fan. Some are obvious, some are underrated, all of them? Lifesavers. Literally. Let's roll. Ah yes. The creamy, protein-packed king of snacks. Peanut butter is like the duct tape of the food world, it works with everything. Why stock it? Long shelf life, we're talking 1 to 2 years easy, packed with protein and healthy fats. No fridge needed, just a spoon and zero shame. Also, it tastes good even when you're crying in the dark with no Wi-Fi. Say what you want about beans, but these bad boys are survival royalty. Why? High in fiber, protein, and energy. Lasts forever, okay, like 2 to 5 years, you can eat 'em cold if you have to. Trust me, been there. Plus, if you're trying to clear a room, beans are highly effective. Rice is cheap, filling, and goes with everything. Like, if food was a mixtape, rice is the beat. Perks. Shelf life? Up to 30 years, white rice, not brown, versatile, soup, stir-fry, survival sushi, you name it. Easy to cook in bulk and stretch meals for days. Just don't forget water. Rice without water is sadness. Okay, hear me out. Not the healthiest, but when you're cold, tired, and stressed? A hot bowl of ramen is basically therapy in broth form. Super long shelf life, just needs hot water. You can add veggies, eggs, even leftover peanut butter if you're weird like me. Cheap, comforting, and kinda addictive. Protein punch in a can. Tuna and chicken keep forever, are ready to eat, and great for sandwiches or quick meals. Shelf life, 2 to 5 years. Add mayo, if you've got it, or mix with rice. Warning. Your breath may become a weapon. Choose wisely. Instant oats equals survival breakfast MVP. Healthy carbs, fiber, filling. Shelf life. 1 to 2 years, sometimes more if stored well. Add hot water, honey, or just cry while eating it cold. We don't judge here. It's like a warm hug, in oatmeal form. Pasta makes the apocalypse a little more Italian. Italy's shelf life, 2+ years. Easy to cook, satisfying. Great with canned sauce or olive oil. Just be careful, if you're sharing space, cooking garlic pasta could start a riot. I know, sounds gross. But wait, lasts months, even years for powdered, great for coffee, cereal, baking. Tastes okay-ish, if you squint. Also, if you have kids, this stuff is gold. The sweet miracle nectar that never expires. Seriously, archaeologists found edible honey in ancient tombs. Natural sweetener, antibacterial properties, shelf life? Basically, forever. Also good for sore throats, tea, or bribing your roommates. Listen, when the power's out, stress is high, and the world's on fire, you're gonna need caffeine. And lots of it. Ground coffee or instant lasts 1 to 2 years. Boosts morale, energy, and reduces the chance of yelling at your loved ones. Even if you don't drink it, it's great for bartering. Because a world without coffee? That's the real crisis.